As you can see, what I've done is I've taken the speaker off, the old speaker which is damaged, this one here. I've taken that one off because it blew, and now I've actually, if you can see here, can you see that? Those two areas there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a piece of wire. I've got some speaker wire here, and I'm going to thread the wire through to the back of the speaker here, and I'm going to connect some connectors to here so that I can set it and put it up to an amplification speaker, some sort of amp or something like that. Yes, I know I can actually just put an internal speaker here which will fit in here, but at the moment I haven't got a speaker. Get one from an old laptop or something like that. An old laptop speaker would fit ideally in here. What? Don't leave it on there too long. Now I should be able to get some sound out of this. Let's check. Connect these two, should get some sort of sound. That's good. It plays pretty loud, and that is without an amp and everything. I've just got a Sony speaker here, just a home, was it a theatre, one of those flat theatre ones, right? No amp, nothing, and it plays really loud. So that would do for me for now, until I get the speaker. Rate, comment and subscribe.